Red Ritter, the iconic Australian fast food chain, great for those occasions after Sunday church when you want a piece of juicy hot crock in your mouth. To save all the altar boys from eternal damnation, they thought ahead, and they made the Hellfire Burger. I'm Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to another fast food fight, the show where I review popular dishes from fast food chains, recreate them to look and taste like their retail products, whilst reducing the costs. Today I've ordered me soft but firm buns and me chook tits from this mod. Imagine a melt in your mouth bun, soft yet crunchy buttermilk chicken patties, fresh crispy lettuce, cheese, mayonnaise, and the hottest freaking sauce you ever Saying all that, it actually looks pretty good. It's all there at least. Lettuce should be at the top, not the bottom. The chili sauce has a tomatoey, barbecue-y, curry flavour. The chicken has a coriander lime taste. So all in all, I would say that it has a Thai/Indian flavour to it. I actually rate it quite highly as far as chicken burgers go. It has a unique flavour and I love my chili sauce. While you're here, finger this button and click the notification bell. Ding dong. Start by butterflying your chicken breast and flatten it out with a rolling pin. Cut the soon-to-be patties into even circles. I'm using a stein mug as a guide, but use whatever you want. Just make sure they're a little bit bigger than the overall bun, because they will shrink. Next you want to make your batter. Crack an egg into a bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of plain flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of cold water. Now you want to mix it up like a colour. Next, cut a lime in half and squeeze it over the chicken breast patty thingies. Add some pepper, add some salt, some allspice. Chop some coriander and rub it in the tits. Dunk them in buttermilk batter, chuck them in the fryer. Now you want to slice your bread roll, toasting one side only. Next, the sauce. Barbecue sauce, ketchup, chili sauce, lime, chili paste. Get it until it has a light red see-through colour. Then add a pinch of curry powder. Then mix it in a tad more. Slice your lettuce. On the bun hill, add some mayo. 1 fillet. Cheese. Next breast. Lettuce. Now put that special Hellfire sauce on the ground. Look at that. Now stick that in your gob and try not to cry ashes. And for $4.80, it's worth a go. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. This is a failed attempt. Grab!